Hi guys, Fayaz this side once again. In this 8th video, I am going to show you how you can shoot your video because this video is all about to educate clients. I know till today you don't have made any video for your business. Now onwards, I just show you how you can create a video for your business. It's just a simple short video. It's like a 30 second to 1 minute approx. So why video? When comparing to image ad creatives, video will works very well and get you more results for your business. So that's fine. And the most important part is you don't have worry about the video shooted part. I am just giving you a application which you just paste your script there and your script will scroll on in front of your front camera. You just have read the script with your body language. So that's very simple. To shoot videos, I recommended only two applications. One is teleprompter and the second one is Selfie. You can find out these applications on App Store and Play Store too. That's the thing. Let's dive into this video.
Open Selfie app. Just click create new text and then you just have paste your script here and click the tick icon to save it, and you just have choose your 120 words text.
Right. You can see here our text is scrolling. So I'm just recording my video. Business owners can utilize this advertising feature on Facebook and Instagram in a number of ways to promote their products or services to generate leads using video ads. So that's how you can shoot your video. You just have read your text while scrolling on your front camera, and then it should not be like that you are going to just read it. You do some activities with your body language and then you can record this video. So that's the thing. And I'm just saving this video. Business owners can utilize this advertising feature on Facebook and Instagram in a number of ways to promote their products or services to generate leads using video ads. Thank you for watching this 8th video and I really appreciate that. Just click the I symbol if you want more videos regarding Facebook advertisements. So we just created a Facebook advertisement complete advanced course absolutely for free. You can wait for my next video. Until then, stay tuned to my channel. Bye bye.